Hey everyone, today I'm gonna talk about animals and birds' homes names with picture. Number 1. Lion lives in den. Number 2. Rhinoceros lives in savannas. Number 3. Rabbit lives in burrows. Number 4. Tiger lives in den. Number 5. Turtle lives in sea. Number 6. Yak lives in hills. Number 7. Zebra lives in safari. Number 8. Fox lives in burrows. Number 9. Parrot lives in cage. Number 10. Pig lives in pen. Number 11. Rat lives in holes. Number 12. Hippopotamus lives near river banks. Number 13. Squirrel lives in burrows. Number 14. Monkey lives on trees. Number 15. Bird lives in nest. Number 16. Owl lives in owlery. Number 17. Cow lives in shed. Number 18. Shark lives in sea. Number 19. Sheep lives in pen. Number 20. Spider lives in web. Number 21. Panda lives near bamboo trees. Number 22. Penguin lives in penguinary. Number 23. Ant lives in hives. Number 24. Bat lives in caves. Number 25. Horse lives in stable. Number 26. Kangaroo lives in hollow trees. Number 27. Cheetah lives in savannas. Number 28. Hen lives in coop. Number 29. Buffalo lives in shed. Number 30. Bear lives in caves. Number 31. Elephant lives in forest areas. Number 32. Goat lives in pen. Number 33. Chimpanzee lives on trees. Number 34. Fish lives in aquarium. Number 35. Deer lives in bushes. Number 36. Donkey lives in barn. Number 37. Cat lives in cattery. Number 38. Camel lives in desert. Number 39. Dog lives in kennel. Number 40. Eagle lives in eyrie. Number 41. Giraffe lives in savannas. Number 42. Porcupine lives in burrows. Thanks for watching guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Then do like it and don't forget to subscribe this channel.